I'm Justin with American Trucks. In this video, I'm going over a stock-like stance with an 18x9" wheel and a plus 34mm offset with a 33x11.5" tire on a 2015 through 2020 F-150 equipped with a stock suspension. Now, with a stock suspension, your tires will tuck within the wheel well of your truck. In this video, guys, I'm gonna go over the clearance with these wheels and tires, of course the offset and stance, and finally what to expect when driving with this setup. This combination of an 18x9" wheel and a 33x11.5" tire is popular here with F-150 owners who have a stock suspension, as you can see from these pictures provided by fellow F-150 owners. Now, this setup will fit any 2015 through 2020 F-150 with a stock suspension without needing to do any modification. Now, driving wise, you can expect to have no rubbing issues whatsoever, as your tires will be free from contact with the front bumper or any of your suspension components. This wheel and tire setup with a plus 34mm offset is designed to give your F-150 a stock-like stance. You can see here from these pictures provided by fellow F-150 owners that a stock stance, again, is going to keep those tires a bit more tucked into the wheel well of your truck. A few things to keep in mind here when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33. When driving, for instance, the ride might feel a little bit more sluggish with those 33s compared to your stock tires. Speedometer will also read about 1 to 2 miles an hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to those larger tires. Not a huge deal, of course, and in fact, most F-150 owners out there just kind of keep that in mind when driving. However, if you want, this can easily be corrected with a flash cowl or a tuning device for your truck, both of which you can find right here at American Trucks. Now, if you do decide to purchase a set of wheels and tires from us here at American Trucks, we make it very easy for you to get these on your F-150. Now, on our wheel and tire package pages, you'll find setups that you can have mounted and balanced and shipped right to your door. You can also choose to have your optional TPMS sensors installed and pick up the transmitter tool to easily calibrate those sensors in your tires. Now, to ensure proper installation of your new wheels, we do strongly recommend picking up a set of aftermarket 14mm by 1.5 lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes found in most of your aftermarket wheels, and again, you can find those here on the site. At that point, just simply have a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready to go, and you'll have these on your rig in no time. We do recommend getting an alignment for your F-150 after your new wheels and tires have been installed. And as always, guys, if you have any questions about this setup for your F-150, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of an 18x9" wheel with a plus 34mm offset and 33x11.5" tires on an F-150 with a stock suspension is very popular with the 2015 through 2020 owners out there who want to upgrade their tire size but still maintain that stock-like stance, keeping those wheels and tires within the wheel well on your rig. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at AmericanTrucks.com.